Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I am gonna guide you how to apply for an e-visa to Kenya. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official government website of Kenya, and the very first thing I know most of you would be knowing is to check the eligibility. Okay, so they have three categories of visas. Category 1, those who do not require a visa to enter Kenya. Category 2, who are issued visas based on your application. Category 3, who require referred visa. So search for your country. If I search for Canada, what do I get? Category 2 qualification, yes. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the home page. So there are three steps: sign up for an account, apply for service, and then it gets processed, and within 48 hours. If you want to see the fee and all, so for single entry visit visa it costs you $51, but for any other visa you can check it over here on this services page. And travel document, basic requirements, return tickets, and what documents you need, they have given all the information. For example, for tourists, travel itinerary, hotel booking, return air ticket, they have provided all the information that you really need. All right, so the first step is to create an account, so I'm going to click on that. All right, so I'm in this account page. So you need to provide your passport details, names, email address, password, and then click on continue. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. So after you are done through the registration, this is the page you get. So we'll go for this Directorate of Immigration Service apply new application, where they have the option of e-visa. So I click on get service. All right, so in this page they have given the application information. Basically on the first page they have provided terms, condition, and fee. You can check what is the fee they are asking. So for a typical single entry visa fee, $51 US dollars. So if I click on next, they are asking about the applicant. So let's select. Nationality at birth. So you need to do as per your case, not what exactly you see here. Basic details they are asking till now: phone number, city, email. Okay, I'm gonna fill something and gonna go to. Then again on the next page it asks for the passport information, and I'm gonna put some information here. Now they're asking for traveling information, previous visit to Kenya. I select no, but do it as per your case. Are you traveling with a minor? I select no. Then it asks for the type of visa. I go for single entry visa. Done. Now they are asking for applicant information. I'm gonna put the details over here. Father detail, mother detail, next to kin details. Wow, I'm gonna put information. Next is about travel information. Reason for travel, entry, exit, host details, full name, physical address, phone number, email, arrives by, port of entry. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And the next one is about travel history. Recent visit to other countries. So I'm doing based on sample case, but do it as per your case. Okay, and you need to be very honest. Now it's about uploading documents, and they accept only JPEG, passport size photo, passport, hotel reservation, upload additional documents. And then in the next stage it's gonna ask me to pay. So I'm not gonna do that, but you got the idea how it works. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.